If you're looking to reorganize your life, whether it's spring, summer, or winter, the answer might be as simple as looking up. Most homes have a small attic space that's up there and wasted because it's so hard to get to. And even if you can get your stuff upstairs, it's almost impossible to get it back down when you need it. And that's why Designing Spaces invited Tom Muller from Louisville Ladder to help us out today. Tom, thank you for joining us. So Tom, we're very excited to learn more about your attic ladder system. Now tell me, if somebody's looking at getting a ladder for their attic, what kind of height and space requirements are you looking at?
Well, the first thing to do is determine the area. It can be in a garage, a hallway, or a bedroom, for instance. The next thing to keep in mind is actual capacity, the weight being carried on the ladder. And then last but not least is when the ladder is extended, make sure you have enough working room around it so you can actually utilize the ladder and take things up into the space.
So you want to look at how high the ceiling is off the ground?
Absolutely.
Okay, what kind of height frames are in play there?
Our attics there will fit in ceiling heights from 7 to 10 feet.
7 to 10 feet. And you want to make sure that you have enough space once that ladder is installed that it can actually extend and be used in a safe environment.
Absolutely.
Okay, very good. Okay, what makes your ladder system different from the other ones out there? And perhaps somebody watching at home already has one in place, an old school one. What makes yours different?
Some of the old school ones will utilize a spring system, which can be a little bit cumbersome to use sometimes. We use a gas piston on our system. And the gas system will allow the door to open and close in a more controlled environment, a slower close, so it doesn't slip out of the hand and possibly slam shut. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now, Tom, you mentioned the gas piston system. So what that literally means is it's going to be a lot easier to use because it's going to give you a more fluid, gentle motion. When you pull the ladder down and push it back up again, you're not going to have the ladder bang against the ceiling the way you do with old school systems.
Yes, the spring will pull it up and damage the ladder if it slips out of the hand.
But none of that with this system?
That's absolutely correct.
Very good. Well, how hard is it to get this installed? I mean, are we looking at a 5-man army? Do you need a whole workforce to come in for the day? What are we talking here?
No, typically you need 2 guys. It's going to take the better part of a day.
A guy like me, a regular guy?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It may require some framing to be done, just depending on the location. Maybe some sheetrock to be cut as well. But some houses are already pre-framed, so all you have to do is put the ladder in place and screw it in place.
Okay, Tom, what kind of tools do we need?
Well, first we need 2 people.
Well, we're in luck. There's 2 people. Can we do it?
Absolutely.
Okay, good deal. What about tools? What do we need?
Next thing we're going to need is a step ladder, a hammer, an adjustable wrench, a tape measure, a handsaw, a hacksaw, a drill, nails or lag screws, and some light framing material.
Okay, well, it sounds like we have everything we need to get this job done. Tom, are you ready? Let's get the show on the road.
Let's go.
Do it. Okay, fast forward a couple of hours and we are done. We're here with the finished product, and Tom, I got to tell you, I'm impressed. That was really quick.
Couple hours, no problems.
And very easy. But we are here with Sharon. She's the lucky homeowner. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. This looks great. I really needed a ladder, and you guys installed it very quickly. I'm really excited. Can you show me how it works?
Sure, Sharon.
And check this out. He's almost using one hand in some parts here. Less than 10 seconds, brings it down, secures it in place, and you've got a ladder to your attic.
I think I could do that on my own. By the way, Tom, are there any safety tips you could show me?
Absolutely, Sharon. First and foremost, always respect the 350-pound load capacity. Secondly, make sure to hold the guardrail when climbing. Next, make sure the hinges are fully engaged. And then last but not least, make sure the foot pads are firmly placed against the ground at all times.
That sounds easy enough. Well, Tom, Sharon, thank you for coming on the show today. I'm Arne DeVos for Designing Spaces. Why don't you go ahead and give it a test ride?
I'd love to.